Future Group promoter Kishore Biyani is planning to revamp his department store brand Central across cities in a bid to capture a larger share of discretionary spending in urban India. Biyani, who recently took charge of the merged Bharti Future retail entity, is counting on physical stores to bring in the majority of sales in the near term, even as he's beefing up his online presence. Chandra did catch up with him in Bengaluru. Let's listen to the conversation that they had.
This is our statement that now Central is in a reckoning. We are opening 9 new stores this year. The store is of a very different order and quality. Everybody will have to raise their standards to this level. So we are setting the competition now.
Right. And I think this store at least involved nearly investment of 70 to 80 crore. Is that going to happen across Central stores in India?
Quite a lot of Central stores are undergoing change. Next is going to be Hyderabad. There are new store coming up in Delhi called the Aero City, the new location. That's a much evolved store than this also. And that's a little larger store. So there are all the stores will be going through a systematic change.
Right. But sir, how, what sense does it make to invest so much in physical
retail? That's a business decision which we have taken. And we believe a product where you spend a lot of money, you want to feel it, you want to see it, you want to experience it, you want others to see it along. Nobody spends money more than 1,200, 1,500 rupees on a e-commerce site here.
No, but considering there are sites that offer luxury goods, that offer, branded goods, do you still think customers will, go for touch and feel than online?
I think world over it has happened. There is nobody, I think 95% of the business still comes physical store.
And sir, also just want to get your thoughts on this. In the last, RAI meeting, you raised issues about recent norms. Yesterday, I think RAI has called for an ED probe of marketplaces. Is this a witch hunt? Why is this really necessary, considering they will comply with norms? They themselves have said that.
I am not aware of anything as such. I was not part of the meeting.
Okay. So, if you can also tell me, you recently also took charge at Bharti Retail. What is the strategy going to be there going forward?
The retail business has merged with Bharti Retail, and there's nothing which has changed. We have now large stores and we have small stores, and that continues to work the way it used to work.
Right. So this format is also a bet on, rising consumer spend, discretionary spend in particular. Do you think, we are in the right economic environment for that, the overall trends that you see as far as discretionary and consumer spend is concerned?
I think we are quite positive with India growing at 7 to 8%. I think we add up around $300 billion of consumption every 5 years. And that's a huge spend, and major spend is happening on food and fashion. And we are part of both the businesses.
Right. You've beefed up your online presence through FabFurnish in the interiors category, which is also, fairly high margin compared to others. What are your plans in other lucrative categories like, fashion, marketplaces? What are your plans on that?
I think we have started with a specialty retail. We want to be in specialty retail for a while before we decide on the next step.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.